back to our channel. So today in this video we're going to discuss about how to reset TikTok algorithm. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to reset your TikTok's algorithm, all you gotta do is simply tap on your TikTok. Once you're in your TikTok, you need to simply tap on your profile. So after you are in your profile, you need to tap on the three lines that is like the hamburger like option on the top right corner and go to your settings and privacy. After you are in your settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and find the content preferences. Now, you need to refresh your For You feed by tapping on it, and you need to simply tap on Start. Now, you can simply go to your For You page and you need to give reasons like why you refreshed your feed. So, you can simply select a reason and you can simply hit the submit button as well. So this is how you can simply refresh your feed or reset your TikTok algorithm. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.